Hello everyone, this is Bhavna. In today's video, we're gonna create sunset eye makeup look. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and if you are already a subscribed baby, then you'll know the drill. I love you guys. So let's get into the video. I'm already done with my base here, and if you guys love the base and you want me to create a video on that, please do let me know in the comment section. So I'm starting by applying concealer first. Here I'm using Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Honey. I have this beauty glazed eye palette, and from this the shade I'm using is Sunrise and Orange. Now I'm applying a bit darker shade Mulberry. Just for blending it out properly, I have just taken orange shade again, and now we need our sun. So for that I'm gonna use this shade, it's called Sunset. I'm using mascara from Maybelline. After adding some blush, I'm gonna outline my lips, and after that it's done. Do let me know in the comments if you guys like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.